Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. Free keyword research tools to boost your SEO. Learn about tools that can help your craft and successful SEO strategy. All at no course. Without keyword search tools, filtering and right times incomplete into blog or online store content help it rank on SEO in everyone's right word target, but many drought word led the floor. Keyword research tools features your SEO planning in multiple ways to can help generation keyword idea reviews and my people activity use search times ident- identify trends and show you how much complaint your face and ranking, especially purchase free keywords research tools. They are surprising numbers of fantastic free tools you can use generate virtual information marketing and SEO. Here are 11 free keyword research tools are easy to use and full value data. Some powerful are your powerful keywords generation. Google and other search engine other provide target for e-commerce website like eBay, etc. Amazon like monthly search value and anti complaint your target times below and description of what your almost which it keyword research tools will benefit and drop tools covered. First keywords are for answer the publisher, keyword chatters, keyword question DB, Ahrefs, keyword generation, keywords magic tools, understand most, keyword explorer, Sol, keyword tool dominer, Google Trader, keyword generation for blog, topic ideas, keyword generation help you have what your personal customer went to the space search engine question and answers to reviews and new blog topic and keyword ideas, keyword surfer, keyword surfer and new tool plugging right into Chrome web browser with result automatically display on the right side your result each times and search times ideas. The deliver keyword surfer and increase keyword idea the value cost per click CPC for each search times page the ranking of terms and interest traffic to page ranked 1 target 10 for them. Its silence effect keywords Google search tools always easy to get ideas answer the public and great place to see new search after that topic result are shown in graphic display with the who, what is, where and other question user asked It's powerful ways to generate keywords ideas, what your potential customer, increase what you know your downloaded data in graphic list. The ones of constant tools with limit of 3 free search engines. You have keywords sheeter. Keyword sheeter public automatically result from Google to deliver real time data on what your people typing in searching engine. If you want to generate too long of keywords idea, first keyword sheeter and excellent. Choose public about idea per minute and per expand your list free. It's simple powerful resource ideas from blog topic hours. The free result keyword search. Do not increase search value idea detail. Keyword date. Keyword date many is redirect for keywords to use interest especially subscribed. Target values idea comment extend up to 1500 word keywords with such value. Due to results of result option especially high reviews and show down to tools. Question DB. The first version of tools allow unlimited searching, enriched account and downloadable freemium keywords research tools. SEO analyze a few primate paid website after tools limited use get limited number. Ref keyword generate search value keywords 1 of 1000 of recently there's result updated. Red list question related your search times. You can use keywords search tools edify long tails keyword target. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update.